Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be having another maths treat, which is Pythagoras Theorem. Now before we begin, I'd just like to say thank you for making my first video a success. So to start off with, I'll be giving you a basic example. ABC is a triangle where the angle B equals 90 degrees and AB equals 5 centimeters and BC equals 12 centimeters. Find the length of AC. What the question is asking you is that what is the length of AC, not the whole triangle. To find the solution, you'll have to use the formula that is given. So you'll have to do AC squared equals AB squared plus BC squared. Then, to solve it, you must use the formula and apply it to the question. Then you will leave AC squared because it has an unknown length, and also because it's what you're meant to be finding. AB's length is 5, so far it's AC squared equals 5 centimeters, or squared. But we aren't going to write centimeters for today. But it also has the part of plus BC squared. You know that BC is 12 centimeters, but it says squared, so it means 12 squared. Therefore, you have AC squared equals 5 squared plus 12 squared. For the next step, you will need to figure out the last step first. You can't leave 5 squared or 12 squared just as they are, so you solve them. We know that 5 squared is 25 and 12 squared is 144, so AC squared equals 25 plus 144. Which is equal to 169. Now since we need to find the length of AC and not AC squared, you find the square root of 169, which is 13. And this is because we are applying a basic rule that you should have learnt. Left hand side equals right hand side. Moving back to the question, the square root of 169 is 13, so the answer is 13 centimeters. I will give you another example so you can be sure if you are already not. We have a triangle which has one side that is 8 and the other 5. However, there is a side x which we do not know the value of. We will take the same formula as our last question. AC squared equals AB squared plus BC squared. In this case, we leave AC squared as it is and focus more on the others. AB squared is the same as 5 squared and BC squared is the same as 8 squared. So AC squared equals 5 squared plus 8 squared. But the answer has to be not written in squares. So like the last question, we solve it. So 5 squared is 25 and then 8 squared is 64. 25 add 64 is 89. Now we need to find AC, not AC squared, so we do the square root of 89. So now you may want to use a calculator for this because 89 isn't a perfect square. But the answer is actually 9.43. So, in other words, AC equals 9.43. So now I will give you some questions and you will only need to find the missing sides or lengths. And make sure you pause the video and try. Okay, so pause the video and have a go at this. Okay, so here are the answers. Hopefully you have become more of an expert than you were at the start of this video. Bye and thanks for watching.